Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am testing this Derwent Metallic Paint pen set. I have the Graphitin set which came with one of the scroller boxes, and I also have their pastel paint pen set. Derwent is an old British company which produces high quality paints, pencils and color pencils. What makes their paint sets unique compared to traditional watercolors is that once they are dried on paper, you can't lift them off. They stay on permanent. They also can be layered easily. Please note this video is not sponsored by Derwent. I bought this set. So let's have a look what's inside this set. The set has a water brush which you can fill with water. So here we have the following colors: gold, pale gold, silver, ice blue, green, blue, lime gold, sunset, red, pink, purple and graphite. It also comes with a small sponge. Let's swatch the colors. I'm activating the colors first with a spritz of water. As you can see, the metallic sheen is rather subtle. I love the colors. Let's see what these paints look like on black paper. On black paper they have a very different look. Here I am laying down a few colors to see how they blend with each other. and here I am trying to lift out some color which has already dried. When I painted the first version of my parrot, I made a mistake with the graphite, which I couldn't lift off, so I painted a new version. So here I have painted the second version of my parrot only using the metallics on hot pressed smooth paper, which was also from Derwent. I used different sized synthetic brushes instead of the water brush for this and the other two paintings. I used graphite, green, red, gold and blue. For the feathers I had to be very patient when I tried to layer them. I like the subtle sheen of the paints and could imagine that used in combination with the Inktense paint pens or the pastels, you can create some really nice paintings. However, my aim was to just use these colors. For the beak I used a Faber-Castell brush pit pen. For my second painting I used cold pressed paper from Clairefontaine, which came in one of the scroller boxes I have reviewed. Again, as you can see, the metallic sheen is very subtle and not overpowering. For this painting I have used purple, blue, ice blue, silver, lime gold and gold. For the final painting I used black cold pressed paper by Van Gogh. I wanted the cat and the moon to stand out. For the moon I used silver and graphite, for the sky I used ice blue, and for the grass lime green. I painted the cat first with sunset, but it didn't really pop, so I added a layer of gold on top. For the whiskers I used the Faber-Castell brush pit pen. If you want stronger metallic paints, I would either recommend using acrylic inks, which dry permanent, Or if you want to use traditional watercolors, you could invest in these beautiful Van Gogh metallic watercolors, which I have also reviewed on this channel. As you can see, they are quite strong on the page. All in all, I like this set and I will use it in combination with other Derwent products. This set is also affordable and often on offer in various online art shops. If you order it directly from Derwent and subscribe to their newsletter, you also receive a 20% discount on your first order. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.